Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome to another Walgreens haul. So bear with me on this one. I'm not editing it or adding anything. I'm just gonna post it because there is a really hot beauty event going on that I want you guys to be able to take advantage of as soon as possible. So I'm gonna do two different deals. It's gonna be combining the 7,000 points when you spend $25 beauty booster. You can get that at a Walgreens that has a beauty consultant. So this is what that looks like here. If you guys want to take a screenshot, you can. Some places accept screenshots, some places do not. They also have, for their skincare deal, is buy two, get the third free, and you can mix and match. So a few things on this deal. There is a digital as well that you guys can clip to your card if you have it. Not all accounts are going to have it. Typically they are stacking as well. So on my account, I do have the digital, then I'm gonna have them scan this. So I should be getting back 14,000 points for spending 25. Oh, it went out of focus. Come on, there we go. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and dive into the deal. One other little thing for you guys. My beauty consultant gave me this as well. So it's saved $10 on any two Olay, Retinol, Eye, Regenerist, or Whips products. And again, it is buy two, get the third free. So you would save $10 on two. The third one would be free. You cannot use a coupon on a free product. So that could make for a really hot deal if that is something that you guys use. So let's dive into the deals. Now, I'm gonna be using this Catalina that I got, $10 off on two Revlon or Almay Cosmetics. So I'm gonna pick up, the best deal is on these right here. They are $6.99, buy one, get one half off. So the second one is gonna be $3.49. So you're gonna pick up two of these. If you have this Catalina, of course. I'm gonna use this Catalina here. And here is the math. So it says cream eyeshadow, but obviously that's not what I'm getting. You're gonna use the $10 off two Catalina. I'm gonna pay 48 cents, get back a dollar register reward. So it's gonna be free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. So super hot deal on that. Then we're gonna go pick up some Nexxus hair care. So let's go to the Nexxus aisle. La la la. And it's right here. Okay, here's the shampoo. So the reason why we want to get Nexxus is because there's a points back on this as well. Now, make sure you guys check online. The online prices for Nexxus is a lot cheaper than what's in store. So I picked up two of these, which are right here. And here, they're $10.49 online. They're $15.49. Online, they're only $10.49. And I did ask the beauty consultant, she checked with her manager, they do price match online at this store. So you might wanna always check. That'll save you right there an additional $10. So I picked up two of those, shove those in my cart. Sorry, let me get organized. Okay, so you can use a $5 off one coupon that we printed from coupons.com, or we do have two Nexxus coupons that you can clip to your account. So I'm gonna use one of each. So here's the math on that. Two of the shampoos for $10.49 each, two $5 off one coupons, either two digitals or two from coupons.com, however you guys wanna do it. You're gonna pay $10.38 out of pocket, get back 10,000 points. Final cost is just 19 cents each. Now, with the beauty booster, so I have the digital. Again, I also have this one here that we're going to have them scan. So the total is gonna be $33.02. There's $20 in coupons because I had the $10 here and then the two $5 here, so that's $20 in coupons. So I'm gonna pay $13.02 out of pocket. Now remember, you can use register rewards. You cannot use points to pay because it is a spend deal physical booster. So do not use points to pay or you won't get the 7,000 points back. So I'm gonna use a couple register rewards that I have. If you have some, you guys can do it. For example, if you wanted to like do this deal in a first transaction, you can get back that $6 register reward, roll that here to be able to get less out of pocket. So I'm gonna use these register reward, total out of pocket, it's gonna be $2.02. Get back $1 register reward for the Revlon. get back 10,000 points for the Nexxus deal. I'm gonna get back 7,000 points for the card, 7,000 points for the digital. So this is wrong here. I don't know where that 9,000 points came from. What in Lord? I can't add 7 and 7 apparently when I'm typing all this up for you guys. So let's do it in our head real quick. So total is $13.02 if you're doing exactly what I'm doing, using everything that I'm using. So 1302, get back 10,000 points for this. That makes it just 302. Get back 14,000 points for the boosters. So it's going to be an $11.02 moneymaker. So amazing. So I would definitely recommend it. They do have some Revlon and Almay that is on clearance. The ones on clearance would not get the dollar register reward, so just keep that in mind. But you can always get some good items. That way you can hit that $25 spend, because doing it this way when you're price matching, you're only spending it's like $20.98 or something. So you'll be a couple dollars shy. So grab a cute Revlon lipstick or something like that, because you do have to hit the $25. It can't be $24.95. It will not work. It has to be $25 or more. So this is gonna wind up being a super, super hot deal. Another thing you can pair, I lost my train of thought. Okay. Shampoo and conditioner does count towards beauty. So if you don't want to do the Revlon, you can get 2 of the Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for $7. You can use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. There is $1 in the IVC coupon booklet. It's the Walgreens booklet that you can grab at the front of the store. And that would be just $2 for both, or $1 each. Now, one thing about IVC coupon booklet coupons, this comes off the total before you have to reach your 25. So in essence, right now you would be at $27.98 minus the $2, so you would be at $25.98, which is perfect for the $25 threshold, so you would be good to go. So just make sure you guys are careful of that. Check your pricing in your stores if anything is different, and make sure that you guys are doing the math and adjusting accordingly so you guys don't run into any issues. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment for me, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.